Welcome to our exploration of Ethernet, a cornerstone technology in networking. While wireless and cellular internet access may be dominant in our daily lives, traditional cable networks continue to play a crucial role, especially in workplaces and data centers. Ethernet, a protocol that's been around since 1980, is still the backbone of many wired networks. It provides a way for software at higher levels of the networking stack to send and receive data, abstracting away the complexities of the physical layer. One fundamental concept in Ethernet is the MAC address, short for Media Access Control Address. These are 48-bit unique identifiers attached to individual network interfaces, represented in hexadecimal format. A MAC address is divided into two parts. The first 3 octets, known as the organizationally unique identifier, are assigned to hardware manufacturers by the IEEE. This allows us to identify the manufacturer of a network interface. The last 3 octets of a MAC address can be assigned in any way the manufacturer chooses, as long as they maintain global uniqueness. With 281 trillion possible combinations, uniqueness is easily ensured. Ethernet data is organized into frames, each consisting of various components. These frames allow devices on the network to understand where a transmission is coming from and where it's intended to go. In the early days of Ethernet, devices shared a single collision domain, where only one device could transmit at a time. To avoid collisions, Ethernet used carrier-sense multiple access with collision detection, a protocol that allowed devices to sense the network's status before transmitting. When collisions occurred, devices would stop transmitting, wait a random interval, and then try again. This randomization prevented multiple devices from colliding again when retransmitting. Although Ethernet has evolved to support higher bandwidth needs and introduced devices like switches, the basic principles, including MAC addresses, remain largely unchanged. Understanding Ethernet and MAC addresses is essential for IT support specialists. These concepts enable smooth data transmission and troubleshooting in wired network environments. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history and importance of Ethernet. Subscribe for more tech insights, and stay tuned for our next video.